I'm Anurag from IIT Roorkee, and today we are going to continue discussing our top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode. And our next question, which we are going to discuss today, is twosome. So let's see what this question states. So this question states that given an array of integers nums and an integer target, return the indices of two numbers such that they add up to target. You may assume that each input would have exactly one solution, and you may not use the same element twice. You can return the answer in any order. So example number one is nums is given as 2, 7, 11, 15 and target is 9. So 2 and 7 equals to 9. So we'll return their indexes 0 and 1. In example 2, target is 6. So 2 and 4 are equals to 6. So we'll return first index and second index. So 1 and 2 are being returned. And then in example number 3, nums array is given as 3, 3 and target is 6. So we will return as 0 and 1. So nums length can go from 2 to 10 to power 4 and each nums I can go from minus 10 to power 9 to 10 to power 9 and target can also go from minus 10 to power 9 to 10 to power 9. And so simplest brute force solution would be on square solution. So we will run two loops and like for the first loop I will go from 0 to n minus 1 and j will go from I plus 1 to n minus 1, and then for each ij we will check if this equals to 9, and if it equals to 9 then we will return that I and j. But this is on square solution and it is not good solution, so we would have to provide some on solution. So what we'll do is first of all we will sort this nums array, and then we will use two pointers approach. Left pointer would be pointing at 0th index and right pointer would be pointing at n minus 1th index, and then we will add these two numbers and we will check if these two numbers equals to the target, then we will return those two numbers, those two indexes. And if the sum is greater than target, that means that we need to decrease our sum, and in order to decrease our sum we will have to move our right pointer by left index. And if sum is less than target, then we will have to increase our sum and we will have to move our left pointer. And we will run this loop until left pointer is less than right pointer. So let's see in the code how we are going to implement it. So n is the nums dot size, and then we'll define this pair array vector which will be pair int, and we'll store each of these elements and its index in this pair array. Then we'll sort this pair array vector. We are creating this pair array so that we can uh, take account of the indexes of each of the element, and then we will define our two pointers. L is equal to 0 and r is equal to n minus 1, and we are defining our answer also, vector int ans. And while L is less than r, if this pair L dot first and pair r dot first equals to target, then we will insert those second indexes in our answer and we will break out. Otherwise, if this sum is greater than target, then we will do right pointer minus minus. Otherwise we will do left pointer plus plus, and then we'll finally return our answer. So this is the explanation to this code, and this is on solution. So let's try to run it. So it is getting accepted. Let's try to submit it as well. So it has got accepted. So this solution is working fine. I will attach this problem link and problem description in the description of the video, and I will also attach this code solution in the comment section of the video. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned for more such top interview 150 series of questions on Leetcode.